I'm not entirely sure why I agreed to what happened next. Perhaps in the name of journalism, I signed up for a back, sack and crack.
Just shout me when you're ready, all right?
Thanks a bunch, Mitch.
That's all right. I'm due baby in a couple of weeks' time, but apart from that, I haven't got long enough hairs yet, luckily. The doors ain't very soundproof, so you've got to try not to scream too loud.
Huh?
Wow, there is no messing around, is there?
Who's worse, girls or guys?
Definitely guys. Definitely guys.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Thanks, lads. Real solidarity there.
It's gonna be a bit cold.
Oh!
Sorry.
All right, I can do this. Time to man up.
Yeah. Oh, that's nothing.
Not yet.
Spoke too soon.
Oh!
Wow, I can only imagine what you're tweeting right now.
How much left is there to do?
Quite a lot, you're quite hairy. It's just the first time it's really painful, especially when you don't trim the hair. Come on, we have to do it as well.
Yeah, but not on your arse. You don't grow hairs on your arses.
Yeah, you would be surprised.
Oh! Duh! That's my sack? Are you doing my sack? I didn't know you were doing my sack. Oh!
Yeah, the clue's in the name. Back, sack and crack.